Hello everyone, welcome to Synergy Assessments, and we're going to talk about doing an inline choice question. So once again, I'm going to go assessment items, and then I'm going to create a new one, and now I'm going to go to an inline choice. Once again, it has to live in a bank, has to be live, you can use advanced scoring if you'd like. So now when we're doing inline choice, this, you could, once again, just like text entry, you could put it anywhere. I could say, what is the capital of Arizona? Or I could, and then I would put my inline choice right at the end there. Or I could start with an inline choice and say, blank is the school I am going to attend after high school. And you can, obviously that's not a great question to use inline choice, because with inline choice they have, it's almost like a multiple choice question, just in a different format for them to see it. So the school I'm going to attend after high school probably isn't a good question to put there, but I'm just going to use it because that's the first thing I come up with at the top of my head. But what the students will see is they will see a drop down menu of all the answers you put there. Now, once again, on your end, they're not going to see drop down one. Your end, that's there, so you know that's the answer to that one, and that's the answer to that one. And so, what's the capital of Arizona? You could say Peoria. You could say Glendale, and I'm just hitting enter after each one. Phoenix, Flagstaff, and you could put as many as you'd like in there. Um, I don't know. Let's go. Um, Let's just, so I put them all in there, and let's say I want to get rid of one of them, and once again I can just hit X and I can get rid of it. But those are the answers. Now you'll see I haven't picked the correct answer yet, so I'd have to click the correct answer. So I just come to Phoenix and I click it, and now put the star next to my answer. Once again, not a great not a great question for inline choice, but I would do, let's see, ASU, U of A, GCU, ACU, NAU. Say you're wanting them to pick Arizona colleges. You're trying to get them to go to an Arizona college, let's just say, and let's just say they're going to go to ASU. Okay, so that's the correct answer you're looking for. Now, all they're going to see this question, what's the capital of Arizona, and it's going to be a click down, and then they're going to see these answers that you typed in there, and they're just going to click one. Once again, you clicking the right answer makes the Synergy grade that as the correct answer. I did not use advanced scoring on this, so for them to get the full point for this question, they would have to click both Phoenix and ASU to get the full point. If they click Phoenix and then picked NAU, they would get the full question wrong, not just part of it. So they would have to get the whole thing wrong. So if you, or the whole thing correct to get the full point. So if you didn't want to do that, you could use advanced scoring, and then they could get a point for Phoenix and a point for ASU, or half point, however you want to do it. So that's your inline choice. And then once again, you have the same options of grade level and standards and all those things. And then you would save. You have to make sure you save every time. Now, if you do this and you forget, let's take that out. There we go. If you forget to click an answer, it's not going to let you save. When you go to save, it's going to say at least one answer must be defined. And then you just go click it, and then you can click save. And then once again, once you save, make sure you know the item ID number. That way you can put it into a test. And that is doing an inline choice.